Hello, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Great words in the chat today. Exactly. We always need to wait for setup in order to trade. Once again, quick reminder, we don't want to trade only what we want to see, right? Market doesn't care what you want to see, right? But market always will hit you most likely. So wait for your setup, trade it. Today is cold. It's not pajama, by the way. Just it's just cold. Do we need open, high, low, close premium indicator? My recommendation to not use any indicators at all. So it's up to you. You want to use indicator? Okay, go and use it. But preferably to not use any indicators at all, right? So honestly, high time bias, in my opinion, high time bias still bullish, but bias for today kind of tricky in my opinion. Would like to explain why. Let me bring my drawings back. So actually, as long as we're below and trying to hold this 50% of daily week right here and right here, there's a chance to go lower. So in my opinion, in order to continue going higher, for example, to take all-time high on ES, I would like to see solid break above 50% of daily week. So same for NQ, if we may break above daily 50% of daily week, there's a chance to see previous day high level, then an attempt to run this liquidity. So I call this major buy side liquidity. So basically I will be, if we may break above 50%, I will be interested in this range. Somewhere right here. Hello guys, hello, hello. Using this stat map indicator, let's talk about this a little bit. We got daily open based not on New York midnight open, it's based on 6 p.m. So this 6 p.m. candle opened and we got immediate move down. We run this sell side liquidity level, we also run previous day low level, right? And after this, if I want to trade daily levels on stat map, I would like to see formation of 15-minute inversion fair value gap. As you can see on both ES and NQ, we run these liquidity levels. Basically, we run previous day low level, right? And it formed 15-minute inversion right here and right here. So basically, if it wants to continue going up, at least I would like to see on both ES and NQ daily manipulation level. So this is going to be first bad year. Honestly, yeah, expect to see this as a bad year. And if price wants to break above this, as you can see, it's like near 50% of daily week. And if you can break above this daily manipulation, 50% of this daily week, we will see possibly daily distribution level. Daily distribution on ES is all-time high. And daily distribution on NQ is right above previous day high level. So basically inside the retracement area. This retracement area is a range between 2 and 2.5 standard deviation based on 1 hour manipulation lag. So plan right now is just see how we react from 50% of daily week. Because if it wants to react, for example, we may retrace back to New York midnight open. New York midnight open, we have the test of previous week high right here. So basically near New York midnight open, we have daily open, previous week high, and 4-hour open. So lots of different levels around this. Once again, most likely I will be interested in move lower only from 50% if you can see the action. Otherwise, it will just continue going higher. I hope it makes sense. It's just my plan for now. You have 5 videos. Yes, exactly. So I cover, you just check, you can check my YouTube videos. I covered every single level that I draw right here. So basically, yeah. Just, as you can see, I'm just trying to stick to my videos, so nothing new. If you watch my videos, I guess you can understand me. So these levels, yeah, I just today, this morning around like 7:30 a.m. This indicator called like open, high, low, close, stat map. Also, they have session map. I don't use session levels. I use only open, high, low, close. And specifically, I use 4-hour for intraday bias and daily levels. Your bias is beige. That's totally fine. I'm not sure to say like I'm extremely bullish for today. Like, not sure yet. Would like to see how we react from 50% on both yes and NQ to consider any trades. At this moment, honestly, I have no plan at all. Especially we have news today at 10 a.m., right? It's high impact news, so maybe I will wait for 10 a.m. Not sure yet. We will see. You said like every single ICT trader has different analysis for NQ, for example, right? That's fine because ICT is not strategy. ICT is concept. Every single trader who trades ICT concept just trying to build their own strategy based on this concept. So it's okay to see different analysis based on this because every single trader has different strategy, right? Hello, guys. Yeah, what goes up must go down. Exactly right. So basically, in order to go down, we need to take buy side liquidity level. In order to go up, we need to take sell side liquidity level. Is it like simple, right? Or any premium rate to sell or any discount rate to buy. I hope to get at least, yeah, let's hope, let's pray for a good price action today. If today, honestly, even yesterday, I was like, if I can see A plus 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 setup, I'm going to trade today. If no, it's okay. Just going to read the tape. That's pretty much okay. So once again, the plan is just to see how we react from 50% of daily week first. No rush, just waiting for setup and how we react from this from my levels. But basically, as you can see, 50% of daily week also lines up with 50% of British daily fair value gap. And yeah, let's see. Going to keep this high time frame equal highs on my chart. Why I would like to keep this on my chart? If you want to look at 15-minute chart on ES, you can see that bodies. And when we see equal bodies, I don't know how to say this, these bodies, I also consider this as equal highs. Or for example, as you can see this, or for example, if these bodies, it's not equal, right? But let's say this equal, we are going to consider this, I'm going to consider this equal lows. It works for me, especially for ES if I'm trying to find targets. Maybe you noticed ES loves to reject from like 1 tick, 3 ticks, 4 ticks away from buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity level. And I found using this kind of liquidity level bodies as liquidity level, equal highs, equal lows works much better than just aim for liquidity levels. Hello, guys. Preferably, guys, just to see the tracement down to New York midnight open and NQ first. Hello, guys. And yeah, my plan, even I posted in my group today, is that I would like to see the tracement down to New York midnight open, and then 50% taken on both ES and NQ, the tracement down to New York midnight open, then just react. Hello, guys. How are you? I'm fine. Nothing changed from yesterday. Hello from Poland. Hello. Anyway, let me connect my accounts while we are waiting. So, not sure if I'm going to trade the yes and Q yet, but maybe I want to trade CL today. I need to open CL chart. Forgot about CL once again. CL. CL 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart. Let's compare. Oh, different chart. On CL would like to see slightly lower, maybe around like 69. Just drop like 30-40 cents. Then potential move up. Back to 70. Sounds like a plan. Hello, guys. No any mentorship, guys. I'm not going to sell any courses. I'm not smart enough to sell any courses, guys. You take any trades, just one trade yesterday. The exercise you mean for my levels? I guess 16, 14. It's like from 16 to 14. Because it looks like right here is 20, yeah. Depends on the level. Regular levels, I guess 16. More important levels, no, regular levels 14, right? Yeah. More important levels 16. I mean, like, this book is based on 2022 mentorship, that's it. So I did not invent anything, so nothing to explain more. It's not pajama. Why every single person asks me? It's just like, it's not pajama. It's just long sleeve. I just called today. I'm from Belarus. It's next to Poland, by the way. So both ES and NQ still below 50% of daily week. Anyway, the trades went down to New York midnight open. It'll be nice to see. Oh, that's nice. We still have 8 more minutes. Ideally to see the trades went down to New York midnight open, maybe back to discount of this leg. Once market opens, I don't want to see, who cares what I want, but anyway, I don't want to see before market open. What is my bias for today? I already said, like, it's kind of tricky right now. As long as you're below 50% of daily week, would like to see lower. Just break above 50% of this daily week. Would like to see higher, so not sure about my bias yet. We'll try to react what market is going to give me in real time, so no reason to predict right now, I guess. We will see, so yeah, no rush. Also today I need to finish a little bit early because my kids have party in the daycare. It's like at 11:30, so I need to finish like at 11, something like this. Which ICT mentorship you... actually, good question. I did not watch 2023, 2024 yet, but highly recommend to watch core content and 2022 mentorship. But first, watch core content in order to understand 2022 mentorship. For CL, I'm waiting for move lower. As I said, maybe 69.10, 69. Then I would like to wait for a 5-minute bullish order block. Basically, it may offer twin setup, and I will try to long. I'm not sure if I'm going to try this. We will see if it made a trace down. To aim for 70, 70.20, something like this. If no retracement down, as I said before, most likely I'm not going to take this long. We'll see. I recommend to not trade news at any account. So no matter if Epix allows this or not, if my funded futures allows this or not. So I don't recommend it. So nothing wrong to just wait for news. For example, 10 minutes after news and wait for another setup. So don't worry. And keep trying to go down to New York midnight open. That's not good because I expect to get this in 5 minutes. Can you say one more time? We will see. We will see. So it sounds funny. Then yeah. But once again, going to repeat this again if some people just joined. As long as you're below 50% of this daily week, you can see these levels on my chart, blue lines, right here. And right here, I would like to see lower, so I would like to be maybe bearish. But it doesn't mean like I expect to get like huge drop, but everything is possible, so I don't know. But high FM still looks bullish. I'm in daily chart. Anyway, let's see. I would say I expect to get move lower right at the open, but I'm not sure to say it's going to be trendy. Most likely it's going to be just retracement. Somewhere right here. Maybe London low taken. Yeah, basically it will be interesting retracement somewhere right here. Then long to this range. I mean, partial is going to be 50%. And final target is going to be inside this gray box. Most likely. That's the plan. We will see. I'm not in a rush. Not going to trade NQ, but most likely I'm going to trade MNQ, 5 micros. Reaction from first presented fair value from yesterday. Oh, that's cool. In glasses. I'm just blind, so yeah. Okay, MNQ. Let me adjust to 5 micros. Obviously not going to trade before market open. 5 micros. Yeah, 5 micros is enough. So I'm not sure about setup for long yet, but where's my... Maybe move like this. Then like this. Once again, we'll be interested in longs somewhere inside this range. Otherwise, it may just continue going lower to Asia low. And we will see. Also looks like this ejection was from this 15-minute inversion. Right here on both ES and NQ, it's trying to react from this inversion. See this? Interesting. Okay. I use new week opening gap. Mostly I use a weekly open, not really new week opening gap, as potential conservative target. But yeah, you can actually aim for new week opening gap. But anyway, you're going to aim for weekly open always, right? So don't really use a new week opening gap, new day opening gap, but I use weekly open. So yeah, just as conservative target. I trade micros more than minis. I almost never trade minis on NQ. I'm not brave enough yet, but I trade minis on ES. Nothing wrong with ES. Because I don't need to put huge stop loss. Like 30 points with one mini on NQ is like $600, but like 4 points on ES, which is like normal stop loss, it's like $250. So I can afford it. Yes, we have high impact news at 10 a.m. Yeah, that's right. So we'll see. Market is open. Now focus. Now focus. Would like to see once again maybe lower to this box. Then deact from there. We will see. Yes, actually, would like to see maybe the test of New York midnight open or somewhere right here to long and aim for 50% of this daily week and then aim for this. Let me change the color so it's gray inside gray, kind of hard to see. Which color I want? Blue. Then somewhere right here. Not going to be in rush, just going to wait. If they want to continue going up without this retracement, most likely I'm going to stay away from taking any trades because original plan is just retracement back to discount to long. As you can see, ES actually never offered retracement, which is kind of tricky. So patience. Hello. We just got the closure above this fair value gap. This means we got inversion. Mundasha. Oh, like this, yeah. Inversion right here. So basically below 50% still. Another SMT right here and right here. Not going to be in rush. We just tested 5-minute fair value gap on both ES and NQ, this one. Now it's just important to see where we can close. Enter daily fair value gap once again, another test. I'm going to keep my eyes on 50% right now because looks like they want to go right here. But look at this. It's definitely equal lows. Like no way yes wants to leave these levels. kind of would like to see lower. Not going to be in a rush, just going to wait. Let me rename this as equal lows. Oops. So we got equal lows right here, both above New York midnight open. Just trying to hold SMT so far. Kind of tricky right now. I don't understand if this with this strong move up, why doesn't want to take this level yet? Do I trade before high impact news? It depends. So depends on the stop right now. Kind of no interest in any trades yet. On average, how many trades do you take a day? From 0 to 3 trades. I don't have lots of trades, by the way. It can be like 3-5 trades a week. Okay, still kind of doesn't make sense this move up at least some sort of liquidity level to take some sort of liquidity level, which is 50%. 50% of the huge biggest liquidity level for us, right? So, and in my opinion, that's the very first buy side liquidity so far on NQ. You'll see. We just got the closure above this fair value gap. Another inversion. Not going too long, but I guess from this inversion yet. Still kind of early for me, not ready to try this yet. Let me rename to inversion. Change the color. For inversion, we are going to use yellow. Also, not ready to trust inversion only because we got this equal lows. Like, no way they're going to leave it. That's going to be interesting. Ideally, I would like to see invalidation of this inversion. But who cares? We'll see. I don't use inversion fair value gaps every single day. So, but yeah, most of my setups or my trades based on this. But right now, in my perfect world, I would like to see invalidation of this inversion, especially on ES. Because look at this 5-minute chart. This equal lows, like, come on, no way you're going to leave this. Let's see on 1-minute chart. I hate to do this kind of charts when we have lots of volume imbalances. That's all about ES. B2-minute chart. Oh my god, what's wrong with ES? By the way, in my opinion, that's not 1-minute change in the state of delivery. Minor closure below this level. Not perfect one. Anyway, I guess I would like to stay in 5-minute chart right now and see how we react from this inversion. Preferably once again invalidate this inversion for a while, get to take equal lows. As I said before, if they want to just continue going up without any retracement, most likely I'm going to stay away from taking in trades because it's hard. So it's hard to long when you see like you got 0 retracements. Hello. Come on, yes, invalidate this inversion. We don't need any reaction, please. Just take this equal lows. Nice, nice. Just go take this equal loss. That's only what makes sense right now. Nice. Just a little bit lower will be even better. It is okay to trade always, so I don't really care about important news. If I see setup, I'm going to take it. Come on, and yes, just invalidate it. We need this equal loss. We need this equal loss so bad. We have FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. It's not a regular FOMC meeting, so yeah, we will see some volatility, but it's not going to be crazy in my opinion. Yes, needs to drop like 4 points, and that's it. Because if you may invalidate this inversion fair value gap on both yes and in Q, where is my? Maybe I would like to see even this. If you may invalidate it. Right now, not ready to short in Q. With invalidation, maybe to aim for this sell side liquidity level, which is right below New York midnight open. We have flat candles right here. See, no weak candles. So consider this as liquidity, potential sell side liquidity levels. Here, here, here. So even on yes, that's equal lows looks nice, but preferably maybe this fair value gap. Let's highlight this fair value gap on a 5-minute chart. Absolutely amazing move on yes. I did not take any trades yet, so I'm just watching right now. Looking for this this 5-minute fair value gap, potential measuring gap, but in my opinion, this measuring gap play out already. Projections from here. Let's place the measure. So let's see. From this low to the top of this fair value gap, I would like to project. Where is my projection gap? Yeah, it's play out already. So now we can easily test this fair value gap. Equal lows taken. See how it's trying to hold 5-minute inversion fair value gap. You'll see. Let's switch on 1-minute chart, because if you may hold this equal lows, it may try to make a new high of the day. If we may get a change in the state of delay within on 1 minute, 2 minute, actually we made it trace back to buy stops right here, make a new high of the day. Because in my opinion, main levels, I mean main lows already taken. Nothing yet, nothing I like. Not going to trade ES. I don't like this chart, honestly. On 1-minute chart, lots of volume imbalances, kind of tricky. Honestly, on ES, kind of okay, too long, but on NQ, I didn't mind to see lower. On ES, fine with potential move higher. By the way, guys, please stop comparing me with Tanya because we're absolutely two different persons, two different traders. It's, it looks like, for me, it looks like you're trying to compare your kid with another kid, which just doesn't make sense, right? Yes, exactly. Right now, we're inside daily manipulation level. So basically, reaction from daily manipulation only on NQ, not on ES. So I highlighted this OB, and specifically I highlighted 50% of this OB. Why I did not include this week? In my opinion, huge week doesn't make sense to consider this as OB. I would like to consider this part. I'm going to invalidate this OB once 1 minute candle can break above 50% of this mean threshold, right? Then continue going higher. That's strange to see. ES already did it jump, in my opinion, especially taking the equal lows, but doesn't want to move higher yet. Yeah, perfect break above 50% right here. But come on, it was a couple of ticks away from 50% of daily week. So nothing for me here. I don't like, I mean, in Q perfect move up, but look at ES. Nothing happened, which is strange. I'm not in a rush. Most likely I'm going to wait for news, so I'm not going to take any trade at this moment. First, I cannot see any setups yet to trade. Second, maybe it makes sense to see some liquidity taken to the news and then react from there. Before news is going to consolidate. Maybe. Everything is possible. Why are you trading your logo says pro? What do you mean? It's not. What do you mean? Not in sync right now. Yeah, I mean I have you mean you mean this. Yeah, I have actually, let me check what I guess I have premium. No, I have expert right now. Limit traders expert. I didn't know this. Okay. Which one is paid? This logo right here, it's not paid indicator, it's just regular indicator. Oh, you mean right here, yeah. I see this. I don't know. I don't know. Just notice this. I just checked my profile. It says I have expert account. I always thought I have premium, but okay, I have expert. But you don't need to have expert. You just enough, I guess, to use just regular pro account. Because you don't want to use lots of layouts, you don't need to use lots of indicators, so no reason to buy I guess more than Pro Plus, but maybe Premium. It depends on what you need. Oh, CL traced and continue going to 70. Okay, nice move, but without twin setup. That's fine. 50% taken right here. That's garbage truck. I'm so sorry, guys, if you can hear this. Nice move up. From this inversion, nice break below this equal lows. Would like to see a break above 50% on ES right now. Maybe would like to see 6028, 6030 somewhere right here. With break above 50% of this daily week. It has the 50% of daily fair value gap, 50% taken on both ES and NQ. Now we can start considering any setups because my main level was 50% on both ES and NQ, and solid break above this level should offer continuation higher. Or if it's just going to be sweep, it's going to be move lower. That's simple. Transparency, I have no idea. 22. Nine more minutes. Anyway, going to wait for news. And 45. Yeah, once it wants to hold above 50%, yes, I will be interested in previous day high. Maybe I will be interested in this blue box. So somewhere right here. But first we need to see how 15-minute candle can close. Above, below. Then we will react. No, not trade yet. Okay, we don't have any 5-minute bullish fair value gaps yet. It's about to form one, but nothing yet. So let's see. So far, just solid reaction from 50% of this daily week. But it can be just retracement. I'm waiting for news. That's it. I'm not going to take any trades before news right now. No reason. Solid reaction from 50% so far. Look at ES. Amazing. Interesting. Let me highlight this sell side liquidity level. Nice rejection. That's crazy. Absolutely amazing rejection from 50%. Guys, no trades taken if you just joined. Waiting for news came out. And then we'll trade if setup presented. If nothing, then perfect. I need to finish early today, so if no trade, then tomorrow. We always have tomorrow, so nothing wrong with this. On yes, we got exactly 120. But to get new high of the days and rejection down. Crazy. At least now, yes and Q are in sync, right? At least something good here. I hope news can offer something, but anyway, if we want to trade right after news, let's see from what level we can react. If it wants to continue going down, for example, to New York midnight open, which will be nice because we got just sweep of 50% of this daily week. We should react from, I would say, 1 minute PD array. It can be order block, it can be inversion, it can be fair value gap. So let's see. Where is my forward chart? Why is this garbage truck is so loud? Yeah, 50% of daily week itself is for is liquidity level. So also interesting to see this. See this dotted line right here is 50% of daily fair value gap. This means we took this liquidity level, we got 50% of daily fair value gap. Yeah, let's see if we can continue going lower at this point to take this range. Let's also use blue color. Because in my opinion, if it wants to continue going lower, news in 3 minutes, maybe it's going to jump right here, somewhere right here. And if it wants to be just sweep, yeah, I'm going to say it's going to be liquidity sweep. We can drop like this. But ideally, if I want to short, I don't want to short right when news came out, but idea can be based on only sweep right here. Sweep and that's it. It can look like this. But once again, I will be interested in this if it wants to be sweep only. You asked me about wins. 1, 2. Actually, yes, let's highlight. It can be, let's see. %62% a little bit. Okay, let's see. It's okay. We will see. And just all I want to see right now, how we react from this level. This buy side liquidity. If once again, if it wants to be just sweep, it should continue going lower. Anyway, nothing I like yet. I cannot see high probability shorts yet. That fits my, for example, my setup, my model right here. Oil did the job. So we expected to get on oil retracement down to 69.10, then to 70.10, and it's already played out without wins, unfortunately. So it's okay. That's fine. Let's give it, oops, where is my mouse? If it wants to be short, we are going to call this TP area. So this TP, oh, hard to see. That's a huge box, okay. Like this. That's going to be a TP area right here, but I will be interested in this move. For example, if it may offer sweep or changing the state of delivery right here, but preferably sweep because this sweep can offer. It's not short yet. Of course, it's not short yet. We are not going to short right now. We just trying to talk about potential move lower. For example, lower can be if it may offer change in the state of delivery or just sweep. It's not. I am not interested in this liquidity. Liquidity taken, but I'm not interested in the closure above this level. But sweep, that's fine. Sweep, move lower, or change in the state of delivery, move lower. New scheme out. See? Where is my crystal ball? Give me 1 second. I'm going to find this. I can see the future. I'm kidding, just funny, right? We can see the future, guys. It's like, it's easy. See? How we got sweep on immediate reaction. That's crazy. That's just funny. Look at ES, by the way. On ES, it's already traced to this old measuring gap. Absolutely solid reaction from this old measuring gap right here. It offered SMT. Okay, let's react. So far, we got SMT right here. And right here. To be honest, expected to get a little bit like bigger move than just this week up and down. Yeah, guys, let's hit the like button. It's like 700 people right here and only 146 likes. Something wrong with this, right? Where's volatility? That's not interesting. We wanted to see games. Market makers, hello, I'm here. I already unstream this. It's time to watch my stream. Come on. By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Twitter because I'm going to give away one TradingView premium subscription for 1 year. Okay? So don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to announce giveaway soon. I'm not going to trade news. That was just analysis, how we can react right at the open. Before this, I said, let's try to find the level where NQ can react once news came out. So my level, in my opinion, was this buy-side liquidity. Yes, this buy-side liquidity, by why consider this? Maybe it's not buy-side liquidity, but in my opinion, for example, when we have unfilled fair value gap, for example, never retrace to this fair value gap and just continue going down, I usually consider this week or bottom of this fair value as potential buy-side liquidity level. If it wants to be sweep, we would like to see a move lower. But on ES, absolutely amazing move down. We also got sweep, as you can see, but in my opinion, we got SMT, solid SMT right now, and reaction from this old measuring gap. How can I name this? 5-minute measuring gap, so right here. So we will see how we can react from this measuring gap, how this SMT will hold. Last year I got subscription for 2025, so I got new subscription for 2026. Just in case, maybe next year they don't want to make, for example, 70% off. Guys, 0 trades taken so far. Just trying to read the tape. I don't like first action actually right now. I cannot see any setups yet to trade. All I like right here is 15-minute buy-side liquidity sweep, but that's pretty much it, so. So once again, how can I copy the link right here? TradingView is running 70% off right now. Up to 70% deal for Black Friday. It's going to end on this Friday, so don't miss this. You are long. Okay, good luck with your long. I'm not on long right now. I'm not on short right now. Just reading the tape. My inner voice trying to tell me I would like to see New York midnight open, but who cares? I would say so far this liquidity sweep trying to hold. As long as trying to hold, maybe I would like to see lower, but once again, I'm not in any trades. No setup for long, in my opinion, no setup for short yet. I only can see SMT so far. I'm not in rush, so I'm going to just wait. It's okay to have like 0 trades today. Still trying to hold this buy side liquidity. As long as we hold this buy side liquidity, we would like to see at least an attempt to reach New York midnight open. You know, just at least an attempt to reach this level. Let's check a look. Check this. Take a look at this T-trade model right here. We got 15-minute liquidity sweep. We retraced to 50% of this week, and I would say, yeah, I would say if I want to short, most likely I'm going to wait for the closure below this candle to form change in the state of delivery to trade down the equilibrium of previous range in New York midnight open. Sounds like a plan, so let's see how if we can close below this level. And Q will not drop. Okay, that's fine. So I'm not going to argue with you guys. You have your analysis. I have my own analysis. So we don't have any closure yet. So it's not order block. If it doesn't want to drop, then that's okay. That's okay. Encapsulate infinity to follow. Yes, exactly. It's kind of not in sync right now. Let me calculate potential risk. If we can close below this level, I'm going to put stop right here. I'm going to aim for, it's exactly 2R or a little bit more than 2R, almost 3R trade. Let's see if we can get the closure. I prefer to not say like price action is trash, honestly, or ugly. In my opinion, this price action is bad for us, not for everyone. For example, this price action is not good for me because I don't know how to trade this consolidation. NQ, wait, guys. Let's talk a little bit later. We just got the, I'm not on trade. We just got the closure. Not on trade. Nothing I like yet, honestly. It was pretty quick move down. We'll wait. Yes, another retest of 5-minute measuring gap. Already below equal lows, still above New York midnight open on both ES and NQ. Have you took any trades today? Nothing yet. Nothing I like yet. All I want to see is just see my TP area, this absolutely amazing blue box. So I would like to see this move down. But I'm not in trade right now. Just add. Wait, guys. So if I see, for example, momentum right now, I'm going to put my 6 magnets. It's going to be power of magnets. It's going to be our secret strategy, guys. And don't forget, if, for example, we see our magnets hit, we are going to put POM in the chat. What POM means? Who knows what POM means? Power of magnets, exactly right, guys. We're going to call this power of magnets. For this, guys, listen careful right here. It's important. You must have 6 magnets. Like this. See? Oh, that's like this. Oops. Like this. 4, 5. Quick tutorial, guys. It's free class right now. Don't share with anyone. It must be 6 magnets like this. Then you must just change the colors. Guys, don't share with anyone. And see this one. It must be exactly in these colors. Don't change to any other colors. Only this. And you can put these magnets at any levels you like. Any levels you like. And eventually it will hit. I don't know when. But eventually it will hit these magnets. Exactly. Power of Magnets 2025 mentorship. Exactly right. It's just rainbow colors. Rainbow colors. Nothing wrong with these rainbow colors. So, unfortunately, I cannot save this. I cannot save this. So, but if you, for example, want to put at any levels you like, for example, right here, eventually it will hit. The question when? We check this. It works. Who knows? We will see. I'm not on trade, guys, and we're just trying to have some fun right now. This TP area can be potential move. Actual area, not huge, not big like this. So basically, between New York Midnight Open and London Low, that's pretty much it. I see this is empty. I'm just trying to have some fun. I'm not on trade, so I don't see any of my models right here. We just got the test of this change in the state of delivery. We'll see. I don't want to blindly trust, SMT. SMT is not only like main confirmation for us for reversal, right? So yeah, we will see. Because from this area, TP area, I would like to see reversal. A reversal to take this TP area, this blue box. Preferable to see something like this. All I need just to see any signs of reversal, at least on 5-minute chart. Looking on 5-minute chart, unfortunately, nothing yet. So I'm trying to be patient right now. I don't want to take unnecessary losses. Trying to stick my plan. If 5-minute smart money reversal confirmed, I'm going to long. But right now, as you can see, just open 5-minute chart. Obviously, nothing yet. When we see like pretty much seek and destroy, guys, I don't want to trust inversion for Republicans in lower time frame. Maybe I'm ready to trust just changing the state of deliveries. I guess on 1-minute chart will be enough. But anyway, nothing on 1-minute chart and nothing on 5-minute chart. So nothing tells me for reversal yet. I don't want to blindly just trust SMT because I guess no reason for this yet. It expected first presented very well. That's nice. Guys, I'm not on this trade, so nothing I took today yet. Nicely respected this OB on 1-minute chart. Just my conservative You see the CP area, top of the CP area is just New York with night open. Come on, NQ, it's power of magnets. Like, no way you're going to leave these magnets. It's like impossible, impossible, impossible. It's just rainbow magnets, come on. Just rainbow magnets, come on, guys. We check this strategy, it's like 101% win rate. Trust me. More magnets? How many? We need 12 magnets. That's funny. Oops, SMT destroyed. Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys, who took this long. But I wish you good luck. So. By the way, we just what happened right here? This data low was taken. Data low means news low, just in case you didn't know this. Data low. Perfect. Data low taken. Let me delete this. Hate to have lots of drawings on my chart. It's always annoying. No, I did not take any trades yet, guys, today. So far, solid reaction from this data low. Nice. It was 1 minute change in the state of delivery. How big move, by the way, if I want to, for example, enter right here. It's just 30 points, not big. Not big enough. What time it is? We have 40 more. Unfortunately, I'm going to leave at 11 a.m. Will not be able to trade another sweep on 1 hour chart. But so far I can see 15-minute liquidity sweep. Not yet, not confirmed yet. We still have 8 more minutes to find out. With this move down, only yes, we trace to this 1 hour bullish fair value gap right here. Just give me 1 second. What is going on? So another test of this data low right here, and failed to take equilibrium of previous range. I did not have I did not highlight for some reason equilibrium previous direction. Oh, because it lines up with New York midnight open. Exactly right. Above New York midnight open, let's pray for continuation lower. Kind of would like to see New York midnight open, and ideally would like to look for potential move lower somewhere from lower, higher. Would like to see potential move higher from this TP area. Now, I guess we got sweep. I'm going to just remove text from here. And we got data high right here. Price. So just to see the price. Yes, if you want to find T trades indicator, you need to go on his page. Or if you want to use my link for 20% coupon, just let me know. I'm going to share my link. It's just rainbow colors. Rainbow colors, amazing. It's like rainbow. Blue box is just range between New York midnight open and London low. This is where I would like to see potential, at least an attempt to reverse. So we will see. Okay, guys. You don't like my rainbow colors. But I'm going to keep using them because it works. I did not take this trade, so I said this already many times. I'm just trying to read the tape. Kind of, honestly, kind of hard price action right now. But in terms of move down, obvious. Because everyone wants to long, it's time to short. I'll take this trade. Happy my analysis was right. I was right with my analysis with this sweep and move down. Going to journal this, but once again, kind of hard to trade this. If, for example, it wasn't news right here, or just regular sweep, we could try this with stop loss above this high. But it was during the news, I was kind of scared to take it. But this change in the state of delay was nice. We got the closure, the test, continuation lower to this data low. Now the main question, if we may reach New York midnight open, preferable to reach New York midnight open on both yes and Q. You promised to watch my live streams. Perfect. Welcome. Welcome to our family. Yeah, by the way. Got them. Paste right here. We run this low as well. I did not take any trade, so our original analysis was, by the way, not in hindsight. We call this trade right here. If you don't want to believe me, just go back on this team and you will see that's where was our original analysis. But I did not take this trade because this sip happened right at 10 a.m. when a red folder news came out. I was like, okay. We were too busy to try to find our crystal ball, so we did not take this trade. Unicorn stop at 950. Which time frame? 1 minute? So far, guys, just 0 trades taken. Absolutely 0. Yeah, that sweep was pretty fast. I'm not like kind of sad about this. I'm not disappointed with this. At least I like how market predictable even in these conditions. So that's nice. So far, trying to react from data low. Well, I want to see an attempt, at least another attempt to move us lower to New York midnight open. But if nothing, then well, I'm going to wait for a 5-minute order block, bullish order block, to wait reversal from this data low. Yeah, I prefer to not call this price action ugly because that's ugly price action for you, maybe for me, but this price action not ugly for people who trade these conditions, right? For some people, that's amazing price action. All I need to see is 5-minute order block, bullish order block to consider potential reversal. Because we still have 30 minutes, I cannot confirm our sweep yet. But looks like sweep so far. Not going to be in a rush, just going to wait. Watching 5-minute chart right now for potential 5-minute order block because it's not order block yet. Oh. We did not reach for our manipulation. I was watching this level. It was a couple of ticks away. Just in case. But not going to lie, if it wants to form 5-minute order block, I can try this. 5-minute bullish order block, we can try look for potential long setup. But yesterday, price action was nice. We traded. Today, price action was a little bit tricky for me. So at least nice tape reading right here. Nothing wrong with this. This inversion right here. Solid retracement from data low. Or reversal, we don't know yet. On both ES and NQ. I prefer to not consider strong market structure shift when we have something similar to second history profile. So yeah, that's a correct question if we may reach New York midnight open, honestly. So ideally, it was kind of obvious at the beginning, right? But I don't like how it's trying to react from this 5-minute measuring gap right here on ES, and also this lines up with 1 hour fair value gap. But by the way, yes, also, NQ also reacted from 1 hour fair value gap, bullish fair value gap right here. And basically see this fair value gaps, another reaction. So we will see. We don't have 5-minute order block yet. Trying to deduct from this 1-minute order block once again. Once again. I guess the main problem right now on 5-minute chart, we don't have any bearish fair value gaps. But this means we don't have any imbalances, so nothing holds market right now. So actually we might drop. I don't mind. Come on, just New York midnight open. Please. A test of this inversion. And this fair value gap. That's crazy. 5-minute chart doesn't have any imbalances. This leg down, this leg up, nothing. Maybe nothing for today. Yeah, maybe. So far, oh, actually I can show you this on this indicator right here. So far with this move down, we can see sweep right here, we can see sweep right here, and with this move down, we just tested 50% of this previous candle range. So we call this T spot right here for long. Just only based on 1-minute chart and 15. This based on 1-minute chart, this spot and 15-minute liquidity sweep. I don't see any 5-minute confirmations for this reversal yet because it failed to offer 5-minute order block. This spot is 50%. It's a range between 50% of previous. For example, we got sweep, right? Candle 2 closed inside previous candle range. So basically, T spot is area range between 50% of this candle 2 and open of candle 3. So from here to here. So this dotted line right here is 50% of this candle range, and here's the open. Basically, see this green box is 50%. It's just range between 50% and open of this candle number 3. I'm going to stay right here. Lots of drawings there. Basically, yes, that's right. If, for example, we want to continue going up for near liquidity level, it can be this liquidity level. Oops. It can be this liquidity level. It can be this liquidity level. We need to hold this green area. I mean, that's totally fine to see slightly lower, but as long as we hold above 50%, that's a bullish sign for us. Vertical 4 lines. It just range. So see this 15-minute range because I used 1 minute chart and 15-minute liquidity sweep. So basically that's 15-minute candles. So this 15-minute candle right here looks like this on 1-minute chart. So this 15-minute candle right here looks like this on 1-minute chart. That's pretty much it. You're welcome. I did not take any trades today yet. Someone wants to be extremely bullish. Okay. This means you're long, right? Okay. And you touch 1 minute, 50% of 1 minute fair value gap. Yeah. Based on this fractal model and 15-minute liquidity sweep, yeah, it kind of shows me it wants to continue going higher, but all I want to see right now is 5-minute bullish order block to confirm actually smart money reversal. Yeah. And at this point, once this 5-minute change in the state delivery confirmed, we will go right here and right here. We just each forced in a deviation with a small manipulation like on 1 minute chart. Yeah, it's about to offer 5-minute order block. Looks like it wants to be sweep as well. By the way, keep in mind this liquidity level right here, that's data low, data high, not data low, data high right here. Since we already run this data low, maybe it may try to take opposite liquidity level. But I do like the action from this T spot with confirmed inversion right here, and we each forced a deviation immediately, still below data high right here. All I don't like today, when, for example, we expect to get lower, it's trying to just offer big retracement up, then continue, for example, going lower. Or, for example, we anticipate to get data high, then the solid retracement down. Why? Why we need to see this fast move down? That's the question. kind of bullish in my opinion with this chasement down to this OB. Looks bullish, at least would like to see data high. Quick move right there. 17 seconds left, so it's about to confirm 5-minute order block, which is nice. Yeah, we got 5-minute order block. I'm not in trade right now. I don't recommend to put stop loss below this area. Never ever. Just try to find liquidity level for this. Another T spot confirmed right here. Basically, candle 4 offering another spot right here. I would say if it may hold this OB, if it may create OB, I can try this long. So if it may hold this OB, not yet, I will try this long. Something like this. Oops. %50 somewhere right here at the bottom of the daily fair value gap. Not in trade yet. Watching right now. 50% once again lines up with bottom of daily fair value gap. So once again, let's see. Let me move a little bit. So far, just trying to react from this OB. Give me momentum. If I can see momentum, I can try to long. I will take this long. Nothing yet. Not in trade yet. See no momentum to upside from this OB. Waiting for this. And will be only interested in longs if we may get reaction from this OB. That's it. I'm not interested in any other longs. 50% taken, right? Let me see. MIT. It's right here. Yeah, 50% taken. I am not in trade, guys. I'm just watching right now. I would say if I want to long from this OB, it must react from min threshold or actually top of this OB. That's pretty much it. Data high taken. On ES failed so far. Just give me momentum to long if you want to long. Nothing yet. You're long right now. I'm not in long. I'm not this long trade. It's not enough for me still. I cannot see any solid reaction from this OB. I am not in this trade, guys. OB broken. Not interested even anymore. So that's it. Ignore this trade. Invalidate it immediately once 50% broken. It's okay. By the way, guys, wait. You may get twin setup right now, no? Let's see. Come on, Dasha, quick. 62%. Let me delete some levels from here. Can it be twin setup? Actually, it can. Let's delete some levels. I don't need this. So we got 62%, we got retracement to this data high, 62%. It just offered this OB. Now question if it wants to between setup for short. Nothing I like yet. It just formed this OB. Kind of tricky. I'm not going to chase anything right here yet. Kind of tricky. I'm not going to chase anything. No. Come on, Dasha, stop this. I call this unnecessary losses. Anyway, I still have like 7 more minutes. It's no reason to trade because I need to go in 7 minutes. No rush, just let's see. Because looks like twins for short right now. You don't need to move to YouTube chat because I just answered your question. I said, I'm not in this long trade because kind of don't like it. Untradable month. There is no untradable months, guys. Every single day can be a trading day. It depends if you can see your setup or not. Even bank holiday can be absolutely amazing trading day. So far, I took 0 trades. See, show chart execution. So absolutely 0 trades taken. Nothing to hide. No trades at all. But why did not take any trades? Because I never saw my model, and kind of interesting to see since market open. How many points did it move like? Barely 100 points. It's hard. It's hard. But it's okay. Once again, you don't need to trade every single day to be profitable. Some people trade just a couple of I like have like 2-3 trades a month because they trade your model. They trying to follow their model, and that's absolutely great. All I know, I don't want to chase right now. For example, I see twin setup for short. But what I don't like about this, I don't like the time for this. Because twin setup usually confirms smart money reversal or continuation. But it must be at the right time. For example, it can be macro time, or preferably it's going to be between 9:45 and 11. Right now, it's almost 11. Kind of no interest, honestly. But if it wants to, for example, drop to New York midnight open, that's going to be amazing. But I have no interest in this trade. See, even with this potential twin setup for short, it's kind of slow. I don't like it. But let's talk about twin setup. So basically what we can see right here, imbalance. We got 5-minute bearish order block. We got retracement. We want to measure from this high to this low, and here is 62%. Basically, if you want to trade twin setup, you would like to find the range between 62 and 79%. Inside this range, you would like to wait for entry. What do I mean by this? Right here, you would like to wait for entry, and entry is going to be 1-minute order block. 1-minute OB was, actually I highlighted this OB. This means preferably we would like to wait for ideally retracement back to this OB, or you can enter at the open of next candle. This means right here, with stop loss above 79%, and stop loss and target is going to be possibly New York midnight open. But what I don't like about this, just one thing I don't like right here right now is time. So let's see. But like I can say, I never have FOMO, so I'm not going to chase anything. If, for example, I cannot see, as I said at the beginning of the stream, I'm going to trade only A plus 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 setup. Today I didn't see even A setup. Kind of like B plus. I don't like to trade after 11 at all. So yeah, 10:50 for me, it's already too late. But I'm so happy I did not take any trades today because not going to lie, guys, every single time when I'm trying to trade range, seek and destroy, especially on lower time frame, or high resistance liquidity conditions, I always have losing trades. Like, no matter what, I try to change something. Every single time when I'm trying to trade these kind of conditions on lower time frame, on high time frame, that's fine. I have losing trade. So, if I can avoid unnecessary losses, I will do this. It's just, statistics. So it's like 1 year statistic. Everything, I check my losses, and most of the time my losses was in this kind of conditions. Because, for example, I see, okay, here potential continuation higher. Finally, right here we are going to break this consolidation. In my entry, like, if, for example, I want long, for example, my entry is above, my entry is premium, where I'm going to short, my entry is in discount. So losses, lots of losses. So if I can avoid this, I will do this. How old are you? Guess my age. Some people tell me I am 18. That's nice. This means when I was 18, I look like 13. 45, exactly right. Come on, 45, exactly. I don't want to enter any trade, so take it easy. Exactly, I took this easy. So guys, I need to go in 3 minutes because my kids have party in their daycare. So I need to go there by 11:30. So perfect. I'm going to talk with you next 3 minutes and we are done for today. Hope to get something tomorrow. And on Thursday and Friday, I'm not going to take any trades. I'm not going to even open the charts. Not trades taken today. Only trades taken was what was taken was yesterday, and that's it. Yeah, tomorrow will be better. Maybe even PM session will be nice today. I'm just not going to chase anything. It's already too late for me. So that's okay. Once again, today I'm going to give away 1 year premium subscription for TradingView on my Twitter. So don't forget to subscribe on my Twitter. Yeah, I'm going to do this after lunch. And yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. So we did great today to not take any trades. See you tomorrow. I took 0 trades once again. Took 0 trades today. Yeah, executions on 0 trades today was taken. Kind of happy with this. Tomorrow another day. Yeah. New subscriber. See you guys tomorrow. At the same time, no, it's going to be even like, I guess 9 a.m., 9:05 a.m. So yeah, a little bit early tomorrow. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.